What's up, food fanatics? Today we're hitting the back roads of America to uncover some of the most incredible, under-the-radar barbecue joints that deserve way more attention. These aren't your famous city spots, we're talking small-town treasures, where pitmasters have been perfecting their craft for generations.
Scott's BBQ.
When you pull up to the cinder block building in a town of just 400 people, you'll smell the smoke from a mile away. Rodney Scott started cooking whole hogs here when he was just 11 years old. Their signature whole hog BBQ is cooked over hand-cut hardwood for 12 hours, mopped with a pepper vinegar sauce that'll make your taste buds dance. The skin is legendarily crispy, and locals say the pulled pork sandwich will change your life.
Smitty's Market.
In the barbecue capital of Texas, this historic spot still uses the same brick pits from the 1900s. Walking through the smoke-stained hallway, you'll feel like you're stepping back in time. The brisket here is cut to order on butcher paper, no plates, no forks. Just perfectly rendered fat, peppery bark, and meat so tender it falls apart with a gentle pull.
Mary's Barbecue.
Mary and her family have been smoking meat in this converted gas station for over 40 years. The ribs here are something special, smoky, tender, with a sweet, spicy rub that's closely guarded. But the hidden gem, the smoked turkey legs on Thursdays, marinated in Mary's secret blend for 24 hours before hitting the smoker.
Jones Barbecue.
Operating since the 1910s, this James Beard Award winner serves pork the same way for generations, chopped fine, mixed with a vinegar-based sauce that's got just the right kick. The sauce recipe? It's been passed down through the family for over 100 years. Get here early, they often sell out by noon.
Bee's Crackling BBQ.
Brian Furman's Peachwood Smoked Heritage Breed Pork puts a gourmet twist on traditional South Carolina BBQ. The mustard sauce here has a peachy sweetness that perfectly complements the smoky meat. Don't skip the hash and rice. It's a regional specialty that'll make you question everything you know about barbecue sides.
Backwoods BBQ.
Hidden behind a car wash, this family-run spot serves what locals swear is the best burnt ends in the state. The sauce is a unique blend of sweet, spicy, and tangy that perfectly complements the intensely smoky meat. Their bologna sandwich, smoked and thick cut, has a cult following.
Big Bob Gibson Barbecue.
Home of the original white barbecue sauce, this place revolutionized Alabama BBQ back in 1925. Their smoked chicken with white sauce is still the gold standard, but don't sleep on the pork shoulder. The chocolate pie recipe hasn't changed since Big Bob's wife first made it almost 100 years ago.
Joe's Barbecue.
Operating out of a gas station, this place proves great barbecue can come from anywhere. The Z-Man sandwich brisket, smoked provolone, and onion rings on a Kaiser roll is worth the trip alone. Their burnt ends are only available on Mondays and Saturdays, and they sell out fast.
Helens BBQ.
Helen Turner is one of the few female pit masters in the country, and she's been tending her pits for over 30 years. The pulled pork shoulder is legendary, cooked over hickory and oak until it's melt-in-your-mouth tender. The hot sauce is homemade and not for the faint of heart.
Brooks House of Barbecue.
Proving great barbecue exists even in upstate New York, this converted roller rink serves incredible chicken cooked in custom-built brick pits. Their sauce recipe dates back to 1912, and the chicken is cooked using a unique Cornell method that results in perfectly crispy skin and juicy meat. And there you have it, Food Fanatics' 10 hidden barbecue gems that prove some of America's best food is found off the beaten path. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which spot you're dying to try first.